YouTube. As was evidenced by my previous video, you'll know that I am backed up on these. So here is one from several months ago. I'll be honest with you. Let's open this one. This is, I believe, August. Yes. Yay! Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so August is snow related, which seems odd, but I suppose, you know, you would be getting ahead for Christmas and what have you. What's in the August box? I'm not going to show you that. There's your tutorials link. So, I always love the way they, they theme this. It's just beautiful. Look at the artwork. That's so sweet. All right, let's have a look. Let's get dug in. USB component part. Oh, well, is that it? Okay, so probably that doesn't go with it, but this is a USB drive and what looks like the lids. We'll figure that out afterwards, but that's the first thing anyway. Again, AB epoxy resin, the AB epoxy resin that I never seem to use. I bet I'll use it all at once. That's what usually happens. I'll find something that I'm going to use it for. White opaque UV resin. I might have to dig for this one. It looks like they put everything in a bag. Let's just crack the bag open. No sticker on this month's bag. Usually, you know, they have the sticker that's themed on the bag, but there's a lot of stuff in it, so these bags also good storage for other little bits. White opaque UV resin, that's what we were looking for. Here it is. It's a Sophie and Toffee one. Again, beautiful packaging. It's a pleasure to use them because they're just so pretty. You know, when you're crafting and you've got such gorgeous packaging. Maybe if you're not a bloke, maybe if you're a man and you get these, you might not be so chuffed. But I like them. Dolphin figurine. Here he is. I'm going to call mine Ralph. Well, maybe not. Mountain silicone mold. Okay, so I want to say it's this. This looks faintly mountainous to me. I don't know if you can really see it, but it sort of goes up at the side. And on the bottom you can kind of, see it indents all the way back here. It's like a big sort of, I wouldn't call it a mountain. Maybe more of an iceberg sort of shape. A cube silicone mold, which I presume the mountain fits in. Let me pack it, sorry. There's just no way to do it without making a big racket. Okay, so this is just basically a big box, which, let's face it, that's going to come in handy with a lot of other things. I think, presumably, yeah, the two are around about the same sort of size. Maybe this fits inside, or, interesting. Small mountain silicone mold. Oh, there you go. Little topography. You can kind of see what that is from the outside, actually. And the inside is little mountainous regions, which is cute. Dolphin, mountain, another cube. Did they list cube? Oh, there it is. It's a teeny little cube. Like a little ice cube. Well, literally. Rattly bag alert. Sorry. Ooh. So again, just another little cube. Useful pendants. You know what this would be good for as well. You know, you could those little things that you can put place cards on. You know, with a little clampy jobber at the top. You could use that for lots of different things. Cubes always handy. Always handy. Mountains, small mountains, small mountains. Do I have to? I've had small mountains. Shut up, Leanne. The writing is very small on this. Okay, Sophie and Toffee black pigment dye, which we can see here. Okay, nothing different there. It's transparent black pigment dye. We can always use pigment dye. And then the USB component silicone seals. I'm wondering if that's this. What does one mold the USB in? It's a mystery every time, this for me. But anyway, I presume somewhere there's directions on this. That's kind of interesting. You could maybe use your cube and make something with that, or maybe a previous mold that you've had. That'll be fun to play with. Holographic star glitter. Who knows? That one. This is the one. Can you see it through the bag? I'm not. This sucker gets everywhere. Oh, it's pretty though. Look how pretty that is. Got little stars and hollow stars and teeny weeny stars. And then holographic star glitter, glow in the dark pigment powder. One would presume that that is it. Oh wow. Oh, you could make like a night scene or something. That would be cool. And glow in the dark pigment powder. Wait. Holographic star glitter, glow in the dark pigment powder. I have an extra one. Not listed. Maybe the holographic star glitter was ×2. There we go. Okay, so that's a black one. Kind of like the black one better, really. I can see that using it in different things. Then we've seen the glow in the dark pigment, and this must be a glow in the dark pigment as well. If I was smart, I would have my UV. Oh wait, I do. Hold on. I have a UV lamp sitting beside me. I can light it up. Syringe, and then blank bales. Oh, those are interesting. Hold on, we'll get them out. Ooh. A couple of these. These are interesting. Different. Never seen those before. Like a clear bale. Can you see it? It's like a clear bale. There's a hole. There you go. There's a hole in it. Interesting. Alright, let's grab this out and see what colour it shined up. Can you see them? It's hard to see. It does glow. This glows green. And this one, hold on, it's blue. Those are interesting. I haven't actually used any of the UV stuff in anything as yet, but I will. Eventually I'll get there. I just, I've been working on other things that I never show you. So that was it. That was the August box, which was really cute. Here's the back. The premium box also had LED UV gloss seal and an Aurora pigment die set, both of which were Japanese, which was really nice. And then tutorials. Again, they like you to post your stuff if you make it on the blog. And there was a creative contest, but since it's December when I'm doing this, obviously that's gone. Anyway, there it is. Thank you for listening to me waffle on behind the back of Beyond, because it's taken me so long to actually get any of this done. Guys, if you knew what I had been through, you would appreciate the fact that I'm even making it now. But there you go. So there is August, and thank you for listening to me, and have a good rest of the week. Love you, bye.